Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Weekend Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Didi app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Didi application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your existing account, you will see the login as well as the sign up button. You can tap on your country code and choose your country and then proceed with your phone number. Or if you have linked your Facebook and Google account, you can also tap on the respective buttons. Proceed with either one of these options and tap on I agree to the terms and policy, then tap on the next button. Now, if you used your phone, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your SMS. So check your SMS and you will find this code that you will need to enter within the box. If you used your Facebook or your Google account, you will simply need to tap on the continue as button in order to proceed with logging in. Once you enter your code or continue with your Facebook or Google account, you will be logged into your account right away. And now you can immediately start looking for rides to get to your desired destination. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Didi app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.